Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I will show you all controls for your headphones Creative Zen Pro. You can play and pause the song by pressing pause and play button right here. So I'm just playing it, and if I press again I will pause it. Now you have a wheel on your left head earbud, and if you move it to moving up, you will increase the volume, and if you're moving it to down, you will lower the volume. Also, on the left one, you can mute and unmute the microphone, so just pressing one time micro button, and you can unmute by pressing again. You can play and pause the songs by pressing right button to play next song and press left button to play previous song. Also, you have power button to turn on and turn off the headphones. That's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to the channel and leave the like on the video. It's really important to us. See you later!